Hello everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen. And do you ever feel a cold coming on and you're like, man, I need something to help ward it off? Well, something to try is vitamin C. So I got this brand here. This is called Whollium, and it was from Amazon, and I'll put a link to it below so you guys can pick it up for yourselves. Now let's see how this is. It looks like these are 1,000 milligram tablets. And here we go. Let's see how these look. I got these. These are non-GMO. I don't know what GMP is, but they are GMP and they are lab tested. So let's give one of these things a try. It comes with a little safety seal. Thankfully, this safety seal isn't too hard to get off. Some of those ones are just impossible. But this is what the pill looks like. There. See if it has that tart flavor. Definitely not chewable. Oh yeah, it's got that super tart. So it is coated with a little bit of a plasticky something like taste, but it's got that super citrusy, sour flavor to it. And it goes down pretty easy, pretty good. So I'm gonna say thumbs up for this if you need some 1,000 milligram vitamin C. I'll put a link in the description for that. Be sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.